Overnight, Hurricane Laura slamming ashore as a monster Category 4, punishing the Louisiana and Texas coast with winds up to 150 miles an hour. But even more dangerous, especially in low-lying areas, a massive storm surge that officials are warning could be unsurvivable.
Welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. Today we're heading out to Lake Charles to provide some relief from Hurricane Laura. Tell them what we're doing.
Try to help some people out there.
Yeah.
And give back a little bit.
Seems like a good thing to do. We've collected 130 cases of water. We've also got some Gatorade, or some Powerade, some canned foods. Brought some chainsaws. We're getting some gas and diesel. We got some ramen, some other Nutrigrain bars and stuff. We can go see how bad it is out there. Look how low Bliss is squatting over here. Goodness. Dude, I don't know if y'all could have fit much more in here. It's pretty well packed. This thing's almost rubbing. Hey, beautiful. Shingles, power lines down. That roof is in rough shape. As you can see, there's a lot of damage that came with Hurricane Laura. This used to be a large metal covering here that was knocked down by the strong winds of the hurricane. And this is just one of many examples. Here's a mobile home that the roof has been ripped off of. This is our primary supervisor right here, Chief Sam. We were able to come out and chop down some trees and limbs and help some people clean up their yard. Chainsaw, you know, some fuel and stuff we brought. Had this thing loaded up pretty good with food and supplies as well. All but extinguished the last little bit of that. And as you can see, our trailer that was full this morning is now completely empty. We had a very successful day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our content. Please support us in our future endeavors, helping people, both with learning and with supplies and real life scenarios like this. So as always, Dude, we can fix it.